Okay, so what did it cost to get this Civic back on the road? If you remember, we bought this Civic for $500, and the people that owned it before, they abandoned the car because they were told it was going to cost $4,000 to make this road legal. So let's go inside and see just how much we spent to get our car back on the road. Okay, so what did it cost to get this car back on the road? Here's my breakdown. Total costs. The car was $500. The parts for the car, if you watch my video, the brakes, the muffler, the emergency brake cable, $260. The inspection was $30. The rockers were free. I have a welder. I had some metal. I bought some paint and some rocker guard for $35. Because I live in Nova Scotia, once I got my registration for my car, when I went to the Department of Motor Vehicles, they would not accept the fact that I paid $500 for this car, although I did. They told me the car was had a book value of $2,100. So I had the car appraised. The appraisal cost $40. And of course, the appraiser, he appraised the car for $500. And then the taxes on the $500 was $75. So grand total for this car is $970 on the road, ready to go. Here's my provincial inspection. Pass, good for 2 years. That's the bill for the parts and the inspection, if you don't believe me. $290. So $260 for parts, $30 for the inspection. Now, I mentioned that the previous owner of the car, I've mentioned this several times, were quoted $4,000 for repairs. And this is, I'm not going to show the garage that they took their car to. I got it blocked off. But maybe I should show it because this is absolutely criminal. I've been mentioning $4,000. In fact, this fourth is basically, where is it? $4,100 plus tax. So $47.33.93. That's what this garage was going to charge to have this car on the road. And this garage has been maintaining this car for years, so a load of crap. Absolutely criminal. I should show their name. I'm not going to. Anyway, $4,000. It's more like $4,700. So, for me, I got my own inspection. I did my own work. $260 plus $30 plus $35 plus my free labor does not equal $4,000. Nowhere near. Add these up. You're just a tad over $300. Of course, I don't count my time, unless maybe I should start paying myself $1,000 an hour. Maybe I could make this much. Anyway, that's where I'm at. So was the car a good buy? I think the car was an excellent buy. All in, 2008 Honda Civic. It does have high mileage. It's got well over 400,000. Drives good. The body is peeling, flaked. It's got rust blisters. But is it worth this? Certainly worth this. Again, I got to mention again that I know the people I bought the car from, and they were quite happy to part with it. They no longer wanted the car. They have plenty of money of their own, and they were buying a new SUV anyway. So I got this car for a steal, and this car will be my daughter's car. So you should always get a second opinion or have somebody else look at your stuff, because there's just way too many dishonest shops out there. It's crazy. That's the difference. Okay, that's my turd Civic.